Bubbles? Brady's first bubble bath. I think he likes it. What's that, the ducky?
The bath.
Ducky taking a bath in the bubbles? You getting them clean? You taking the bubbles off? Say Bubbles. Alright, say bye-bye bubble bath. Bye-bye Bubbles.
Bye-bye.
Have fun in the bubbles. We'll have to make more bubble bath. Brady. Brady. Brady, can you say Bubbles? Bubbles. You had fun.
More?
More bubbles, now we'll do more bubbles later. Bye-bye.